playing cars with Matthew?
No.
Yeah? Is he fun to play with? Can Mommy see your car? Show Mommy your car. Wow. That's pretty neat. And you're sharing with Matthew? Yeah? You're sharing with Matthew? Hmm? You're a good big brother, aren't you? There you go. Yeah. Car. What is that? Yeah. Does Mommy put yummy stuff in there? Hmm? Yeah. Let's see what Matthew has to think about this one. What do you think of that car, Matthew? Hmm? What do you think? You gonna play with it? Matthew's 1 month old today, Luke. He's been with us a whole month. Yeah? Matthew? Yeah? Do you like your brother? You want to keep him? That is Matthew. That's right. Yeah? You want to drive your car on, Mommy? Yeah.